The EVERLIT Survival Car Emergency Kit stands out as a thoughtfully assembled roadside companion that covers most common breakdown and safety scenarios in one organized bag. Its compact digital tire inflator is easy to use from the vehicle power outlet, automatically stops at the set pressure, and includes extra nozzles plus lighting that really help in the dark. The included jumper cables feel sturdier than many budget options, with enough length and power capacity to safely connect and start typical passenger vehicles. A surprisingly complete first aid pack is tucked inside, giving you the basics to handle minor cuts, scrapes, and other small injuries until you can reach proper medical care. The kit also bundles practical extras like a tow strap, reflective warning triangle, glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, and weather protection items, which add real peace of mind on long trips. Overall, this kit is well suited for drivers who want a single, veteran-designed solution that meaningfully improves preparedness without taking up much space in the trunk.